Hey everybody, Ryan here with SWICKtech. Today I want to show you how to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams and get the video later. So first of all, there are a lot of reasons that you might want to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Maybe rather than taking notes, you want to reference what somebody said in a meeting, or maybe somebody's like screen sharing how to do something and you want to make a tutorial video later for the rest of your team. So I'll show you how to make that video real quick. All right, right here I'm in the lobby of a meeting. So first of all, I just want to join the meeting. And here I am in the meeting. This is a test meeting. It's just me in the meeting, so you're just going to see me in here. But in order to start the recording, what you have to do is go right here in the upper section of the meeting window, go to More Actions, this ellipsis. And then right down here in the drop down, you'll see something that says Start Recording. So go ahead and click that. It might take a couple of seconds. You can see a couple of things happen. First of all, you got a notification here that said you are recording this meeting. Be sure to let everyone know that they are being recorded. Now everybody else in the meeting will be notified too. They'll see this kind of red dot here showing that the meeting is being recorded in the upper left-hand corner. All right, so let's say you want to stop the recording. There's two ways that you can do that. You can either go back to the ellipses right here, this More Actions, and you'll see Stop the Recording, or you can just leave the meeting. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave. Now, in order to get the video, there are a couple of ways that you can do that. First of all, you will get an email notification from Microsoft Stream that says your video is ready. But you can also go directly to Microsoft Stream to see your video. So the way I get to Microsoft Stream is I just go to portal.office.com and I see all my apps here. You just want to go ahead and click on the Stream app. And here in Microsoft Stream, to find your video, go to My Content and then Videos. And then you'll see that the video that I just recorded is still processing. You know, it might take a few minutes. It depends how long the recording is, but it actually doesn't take too long. So once the video is ready, you can just go to the ellipses here, this More Actions, and you can either download the video or share it. Thanks everybody for watching this tutorial video. Keep tuning in to see more Microsoft tutorial videos from SWICKtech.